how to buy KEKIUS Maximus token on Metamask. Now before that, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now to be able to buy this token, it's go and open it in CoinGecko and go to contract and copy this token as you can see. Now remember, this token is under Ethereum network. Now go and open your Metamask, and now we will add it to this Metamask wallet. Now as you can see, I added it before. Now I will show you how to add it and buy it. So click here and make sure to select the Ethereum network, and now click on these three dots and click on import token and click on custom token and paste the token. As you can see, the token is already being added. So after that, click on OK and import the token. So after that, you will see it here on your wallet. Now click on it and click on swap, and after that, as you can see, now you can click here to switch and select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDT, USDC. Now if you select USDC, make sure you have enough USDT on your Metamask wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy and wait a few seconds, and you will be able to see how much you will receive of the token. As you can see, now because I don't have any USDT on my wallet, for you can click on swap to be able to buy it. So just make sure to read all of this information and click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the KEKIUS Maximus token on the Metamask. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.